Hello, it's Thursday, and it's been raining all day, and the sun's finally come out, so that's good. It's kind of close to 7 o'clock. I drafted up a weekly schedule this week, and today was to read a book, and I am still plowing through the book. And basically I'm still focusing on work. I joined another website called Glassdoor. Funny name. I just need to do some more emails and send off resume. Gotta find this resume. It's like the fucking book. I've got to finalize with. Well, I need to put in my secondment down in Melbourne and my building move into that. What else? I'm walking on a different street tonight. Let's say this is Carlton, and it's called Boundary Street, I think. Anyway, I don't think I've walked down this street before. It's very quiet, as you can see. I've got potatoes cooking on the stove. I hope the kitchen won't get on fire by the time I get back. And just good to get out of the house for the last, for just 5-10 minutes anyway. I do need to do a cover letter tomorrow too. All these little projects, and no one really, and I need to ring this person back or email them, one of the two. The outsourced person, Eva. And then tomorrow night I'm catching up with Frank and the boys. But really, as I say every week, next week is the start. I've got to keep on ploughing, but keep on chipping away at the procrastination, then I'll get better and I'll get a job. I'm looking forward to it. Getting out and working. Today was rather lonely. Alan was, I would say, away all day. And he's away again today. But anyway. What have I been listening to on my headphones? Tangerine Dream. Remember that? I don't think I've listened to them for about 40 years. Very ordinary music now. But, yeah, when I was at school, it was quite hip. Anyway, going back up to where I live, and what else? I will have schnitzel for dinner with mashed potato and a glass of wine and everything else. Alright, bye.